So, in today's video, I will tell you about a secret niche that if you make videos on it, your channel will 100% grow. The niche I will tell you about in this video has almost 0 channels on YouTube. Therefore, its competition is also 0%. You guys take advantage of this to grow your channel. And the niche I will tell you about is also monetizable. So, there will be no problem with monetization either. And the niche I am going to tell you about is called MrBeast videos in cartoon style. This is a very unique niche. 90% of people don't know about this niche. So you can imagine how much of a secret it is. Whoever makes this type of video gets millions of views. Because you know that YouTube's #1 creator is MrBeast. His fan following is huge. Therefore, if anyone copies a MrBeast's video and uploads it to their channel, it gets millions of views. So if you also upload MrBeast's videos, your videos will also get millions of views. I will be made with the help of only one AI and one app. The apps I will use will be completely free. So, watch the video until the end, because in this video, I will tell you the full process of how to make these types of videos. From video prompts to editing, I will tell you step by step, which you can follow to easily create these types of videos. And you can earn a good amount of money by uploading them on your YouTube channel and Instagram page. So, let's begin. We will download MrBeast's video and convert it into cartoon style. For that, you have to go to MrBeast's channel and download the video you like. Download it in the Hindi language. I won't tell you the downloading process. You have to download it somehow. After downloading the video, you have to open the Play Store. After that, you have to search for Video to Photo Frame Capture in the search bar and download this app. After the app is downloaded, open it. Then, you have to select your video. After selecting the video, click on JPEG and continue. Then, here you can choose to capture image every second. Here, you can set it to 1 second or 4 seconds. This will capture small images from your video. As soon as the images are captured, select all of them and save them to your gallery. After that, you have to open Grok AI. Upload your image and right here, convert this into a cartoon. So, your image will be converted into a cartoon style like this. What you need to do is convert all the images into cartoons in this way. As soon as all your images are converted into cartoons, go to the first image on top and click on this video button. So, your image will start converting into a video. You can also give any customized prompt here. So, in this way, you have to convert all the videos into cartoons and download them. As soon as all your videos are downloaded, open any editing software. And then, import all the videos here. After importing the videos, you have to import the original sound that you downloaded from the video. After that, you have to adjust your videos according to the sound. And edit the sound a little bit too, so that you don't face any problem with monetization. After doing this, just export the video. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you understood the video. So, by making these types of videos, you can also earn in lakhs by uploading them on your YouTube and Instagram page. So, we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.